It's time to make a quesadilla. Wait, why did I just put the cheese? Oh, it's over here. Cheese is needed to make this. I don't know, how is Ah, this is a new package. Ah, the smell of good old cheddar. Any kind of cheese is used. Time to get a tortilla. Not a zombie tortilla. It's a normal tortilla. It's got flavor. Plates are needed. I should get a large. Sort of like this. Nah. I should put the tortilla on the plate. Put some cheese. Put it on. Maybe just a little more. Oh wait. I'm only gonna make 4 pieces. So then it should look like this. Fold it up. And then put it in the microwave. I recommend just cooking it for a single minute. Only one. Just one. 1 minute should be fine enough. A knife might be easier for some people to cut the quesadilla, but I use the pizza cutter. Because they're kind of shaped like pizzas. They're round. Well, half round if you're only using one quesadilla. A tortilla, What? At the time now producing the sound, This Guy Follies. Hey. The SpongeBob Follies. I love that. Smells good. Now for the best part. Now it's time to cut the quesadilla. I might have put a little too much cheese in this. And now for the best part. It's time to have a taste test. Okay. I use cheddar cheese. Cheddar cheese makes my head go yellow like the sun. It tastes good. That's how I make a quesadilla.